What if one day you simply stopped aging? No more gray hair, no more decay, no more death. It sounds like a dream, but scientists have been trying to make it real for decades. Let's imagine this through the story of Dr. Elias Verne, a biologist who wanted to understand why our bodies age in the first place. Every cell in your body has a built-in timer called telomeres. They're tiny caps at the ends of your DNA strands that shorten each time your cells divide. When they become too short, your cells can't divide anymore, and that's how aging begins. Dr. Verne's research focused on reversing that process. He discovered a protein called telomerase, which can rebuild those caps and make cells young again. In theory, if you could keep your telomeres from shortening, your body might never grow old. So he ran an experiment, not in a dark secret lab, but in a sterile white room surrounded by the hum of computers and light. He injected modified stem cells programmed to repair DNA indefinitely. For days, nothing happened. Then, something strange occurred. The test tissue didn't die. Weeks passed, months. The cells regenerated endlessly, not just surviving, but improving. It was the first real proof of biological immortality. But immortality isn't just about living forever. It's about what happens when nothing ends. In nature, every system depends on balance. Death feeds life. Decay creates renewal. If humans stopped dying, evolution itself would freeze. New generations wouldn't emerge. Mistakes in DNA, mutations, would accumulate endlessly, leading to chaos. Even if science could make the human body immortal, the mind might not survive it. Our brains weren't built to handle infinite time. Memories fade, emotions dull, and meaning depends on endings. So while the dream of immortality sounds beautiful, it could also be the slowest tragedy in the universe. Today, scientists are already experimenting with genetic reprogramming, nanomedicine, and AI-based cell repair. We may soon extend human life far beyond what's natural, maybe even reach a point where we pause aging entirely. But whether that would be a blessing or a curse is something we still don't understand.
Imagine a world where no one dies. At first, it sounds perfect. No funerals, no pain, no loss. But the truth is, immortality would change everything about how humanity survives. Let's start with the most basic problem: overpopulation. Right now, more than 150,000 people die every day on Earth. That natural cycle keeps our population balanced with food, water, and space. If those deaths suddenly stopped and babies kept being born, the planet would face a crisis in just a few decades. By the year 2100, Earth could have over 30 billion people. Cities would stack upward like glass towers. Farmlands would vanish. Oceans would turn into floating cities. And even air would become a resource. Governments might enforce strict birth control laws or even ban reproduction altogether. Some humans might choose to live off-world, colonizing Mars or building orbital habitats just to escape the overcrowded planet. But the problem goes deeper than numbers. Our minds aren't built for eternity. Humans find meaning in beginnings and endings, in knowing that every day might be their last. Take that away, and emotions change. Love becomes routine. Ambition fades. Time loses all weight. Studies in psychology show that humans act, create, and evolve because life is temporary. We write songs, build cities, and love deeply because we know it won't last forever. Without death, creativity might die instead. Then there's the question of memory. The human brain wasn't designed to store centuries of experience. Even if we used artificial memory implants, our sense of identity would blur. Imagine remembering every moment of 1,000 years, every face, every mistake, every loss. Eventually, you might forget who you really are. Social structures would collapse too. Wealth would concentrate among the immortal. Young generations would never have a chance to rise. Political systems could turn into eternal empires, ruled by people who never age, never step aside. And what about nature itself? Death is what feeds the planet. When things die, they return to the soil, recycling energy for new life. Without that balance, ecosystems would starve. Immortality for humans could mean extinction for everything else. So yes, living forever might sound like a dream, but it could also be the one thing that destroys what it means to be human.
Even if humans found a way to stop aging, the universe would still be waiting. Because everything, stars, galaxies, even time itself, has an ending. Let's look billions of years into the future. The sun will eventually die. In about 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant, swallowing Mercury and Venus, maybe even Earth. Even the immortal humans of that far future would have to escape their home planet, searching for a new place to live among the stars. But no matter where they go, the same truth follows them. Energy runs out. Stars burn their fuel, galaxies drift apart, and over unimaginable stretches of time, the universe grows darker, colder, and emptier. Astrophysicists call it heat death, the moment when all energy in the universe spreads out evenly, leaving nothing alive, nothing new. No light, no warmth, just an endless cosmic silence. Imagine living to see that day. You've survived planets, civilizations, and time itself, but now there's nowhere left to go. You drift among dead stars, watching galaxies fade into black. Even light can no longer travel far enough to reach you. Could a human mind survive that kind of eternity? Without change, without growth, without other life, consciousness itself might begin to dissolve. Thoughts would slow, memories would fade, until even awareness disappears into the dark. But there's one more twist. Some scientists believe that long after the last star dies, quantum fluctuations might give birth to new universes, tiny sparks of energy that collapse and explode, restarting everything. And maybe, somewhere in one of those newborn worlds, life begins again. Perhaps immortality isn't about escaping death, but being part of this infinite cycle of creation and destruction. After all, every atom in your body was once part of a star that lived, died, and exploded. You are already made of eternity. Not the kind that lasts forever, but the kind that begins again and again. So maybe the question isn't, what if you never died? Maybe it's, what if death is just another form of life?